Duh.
I didn't even know you know how to cook, Daddy.
Yes, I can cook. Is it because I don't cook these days? I know how to cook every food. Today I want to cook beans. Because I'm always working, I'm always busy. That's why I hardly cook. Sometimes I cook, people are in school, people have gone to school, maybe I just cook more food. But today, the other day I cooked, I want to cook this soup. He said, Daddy, do you know how to cook? Yes, I do. I know how to cook. I'll show you guys today.
Wait, Daddy, are you sure you're going to actually cook properly? I hope you won't put things that will disturb our stomachs after.
Don't worry. I will show you evidence. I don't want to talk too much. You will see it. You will see correct cooking. I want to cook beans. So you will know the difference between sweet beans and beans that is not sweet today. Nice, lovely beans. So I'm cooking the beans.
Daddy, that's not the bowl.
Don't worry.
That's microwave.
It doesn't matter. Relax. So basically, I'm making I'm removing the dirt. Leave it the debris from the beans. So just to make it nice. So after that, I'm gonna start cooking it. The only problem with beans is it takes too long to cook. Just making sure everything that needs to be. See you later.